Welcome students, electrical engineering subject. We are discussing AC fundamentals chapter. In this class we will discuss power in inductive circuit. Here you can see this is one inductive circuit. We are going to apply voltage, that is small v equals to Vm sin omega t, and the current flowing through the circuit is I. This is the inductor value. This is voltage waveform and this is current waveform. If you remember, in case of resistive network or resistive circuit, the waveform is like this. This is the voltage, and this is the current. Okay, but in this, here you can see current is going to delay. Current is delaying with 5 by 2, means this is 5, that is 180. 5 by 2 means 180 by 2, that is equals to 90. We can say the current in inductive circuit is lagging with an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, when the voltage is going like this, current is going to come here. This is the current. In case of resistive network, when voltage is going like this is the voltage, the current will be going like this. In case of resistive, here in case of inductive circuits, when voltage is going like this, the current will be lagging. You can see the waveform here. If you see in further, it will show like this, means it is started somewhere. You're able to see this here. This is how it will be, means it will start like this. But we say it is lagging with 90 degrees. Okay, this is the continuation of waveform. If you complete waveform, it will come like this. Okay, now we'll see what is the power formula and different equations we'll get here. We have one formula, v equals to small v equals to Vm sin omega t, and inductor energy stored in a inductor equals to how much energy is going to store in inductor when we are going to give some supply. Suppose I gave a current, I applied a current for some time. I applied a small current, that will say di by dt, means for few seconds. I applied small amount of current for few seconds to the inductor. The energy stored in inductor equals to minus L di by dt. This is the formula. L is the inductance value, di small current, dt only few seconds. Why we are representing this negative? Actually, it is not negative. The energy stored in inductor is always in opposite. Okay, when we are giving some current to it, the energy is going to store in this will oppose the cause always, so we are representing with minus. Here we'll see formula E nothing but the V, or we can write E. Okay, here you can see what is small v equals to minus L di by dt. Here I am writing this as just this is for representing, it is opposing, this is actually this is ना, ये हम लोग ये represent करने के लिए ये opposite direction में, लेकिन इसका नेगेटिव मतलब प्लस माइनस ये नहीं है, ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने इसको कंसिडर नहीं कर रहे. V equals to, we have formula V equals to Vm sin omega t into L di by dt. From this, if I take this di value, di equals to, this will go here, this also will go here, Vm by L will go here, L into sin omega t into dt. This will, if go here, it will become multiply sin omega t into dt. This is the formula. If we integrate on both sides, integrating both sides, we have this value, that is di equals to Vm by L sin omega t into dt. If we integrate this, we will get integration definition will get cancel. Sorry, I equals to integral Vm by L sin omega t into dt. Vm by L is a constant, we will take it out. Okay, sin omega t, integral sin omega t equals to 1 by omega, this will come here, into minus of, sorry, let me write clearly, minus 1 by omega into cos omega t. This will come Vm by omega L into minus cos omega t. This is the value. Here we have, we'll take this minus value out, Vm by omega L into cos omega t. We know that cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. We can write like this. So from this, sin 90 minus theta. Okay, here minus Vm by omega L into Sine 90. How can we write 90? You can write like this: pi by 2 equals to 90 minus omega t. If you multiply with minus here, we will get Vm by the omega L into sine minus into plus, we will get minus pi by 2 minus into minus, we will get plus. I am writing here. So okay, this is the value. Now here you can see Im equals to, now this is the I formula. Okay, we'll go. You can see the I. Here we have I equals to Vm omega L into sine omega t minus pi by 2, and we have one more formula, Im equals to Vm by omega L. If we substitute this here, we will get I equals to Im into sine omega t minus pi by 2. In case of resistive network, we got only I equals to Im sine omega t. Here why this minus pi by 2 value? Because if we see, this is the pi waveform is voltage, this is the current, it is coming at pi by 2 delay, लेट आ रही है, इसके चलते हम लोग यहाँ माइनस लिखना है. It has come like that. Okay, this is the value. From this, now again I am going to take here, what is the value of I equals to Im by 0.707 comma average voltage equals to Vm by 0.707. If I substitute these two here, that is, sorry, it's wrong, Im equals to I by 207, sorry, this one 0.707, 0.707 comma V maximum equals to Vm by 0.707. Here you can see I am substituting these values here, we will get I average by 0.707 equals to V average by 0.707 by omega L. In next step I will write like this: 0.707 equals to V by 0.707 into omega L. This will get cancelled. We will get I average equals to V by omega L. This is the formula. We can write omega L, XL, we have one more formula, XL equals to omega L. Here we can write I equals to V by XL. Both are same. Okay. This is the value for I. We have XL. XL equals to omega L, where W equals to 2 pi F frequency. substitute this here, we will get XL equals to 2 pi f into L, where 2 is a constant, pi is a constant, f equals to f is a frequency, L is the inductance of the inductor. Okay, now we will see power formula. This is regarding current and all this. Now when we see power formula, here you can see the waveform. I already told this. When voltage is moving like this, the current will be 90 degrees lagging. That he represented with pi by 2. Okay, this is the voltage waveform. You can see this is the voltage waveform. Current is going to come with delay. Here the current is started. Just for understanding, we drawn the negative also. Before this it will be like this. If we see here, the voltage is positive, current is negative, sorry, it is downside. Voltage is rising, current is also rising but in negative. If we choose, if we calculate power here, this is the power, ये जो है power during, this is pi by 2. From pi by 2 to pi, the power will be like this. Okay, in case of resistive network, it is like that. This was the voltage, and this was the power, sorry, current. Now how the power will come? This was current, now this is the power, sorry, this is the power. But if we see here, now here if we calculate power, this is, these two are in positive, so we can say, suppose it is 2 2, we can say power is 4. But here in this case, this is minus 2, this is plus 2. What is the average power? Minus 2 plus 2 will get power equals to 0. This is the case in inductor. We can understand clearly ahead. Here I will write C. What is the voltage? We have V equals to Vm sin omega t, and I equals to Im sin omega t minus pi by 2. Here power formula, P equals to V into I. P equals to Vm sin omega t into Im sin omega t minus pi by 2. It will come Vm Im sin omega t into sin omega t minus pi by 2. Vm Im sin omega t, we can write sin omega t minus pi by 2 as a cos omega t. Okay, from here What is sin omega t into cos omega t formula? Sin omega t into cos omega t, we will get 1 by 2 sin omega t. One by 2 omega t. Vm Im 1 by 2 sin 2 into omega t. Now we can write clearly power equals to here, sorry, this is the minus of cos omega t. Okay, here we will get minus Vm into Im by 2 into sin 2 omega t. This is the power formula. We already discussed about this one in previous class. I told in case of resistor, power equals to Vm Im by 2 minus Vm Im by 2 into cos, here we can see the power formula, here it is cos 2 omega t. This is the value we got, power equals to V into I, and this becomes 0. Okay, here we have only, in case of inductor, we have only fluctuating power. In case of inductor, power equals to minus Vm Im by 2 sin 2 omega t. This is a fluctuating. Fluctuating value, that is 0. So power in inductive circuit will become 0. Okay. Thank you.